In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Photos share link. This process allows you to easily share memories with friends and family. Let's dive right in. First, open the Google Photos app on your device or navigate to photos.google.com in your preferred web browser. When you open the app or website, you will see your photos and albums organized neatly. This visual layout makes it easy to find what you want to share. Ensure that you are connected to the internet, as this is essential for accessing your photos. If you're using a mobile device, the app should already be installed. For desktop users, make sure you're logged into your Google account. This access is crucial for sharing content securely. Next, sign into your Google account if you are not already logged in. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In button and entering your credentials. This step is important because it ensures that your photos are shared from your account, keeping your personal data secure. Once logged in, you will have full access to your photo library. This also means you can manage your shared items later on. Always verify that you are in the correct account, especially if you have multiple Google accounts. Now select the photo, video, or album you want to share. To do this, simply click on the desired item. You can choose multiple items if you prefer. This selection process is straightforward, as thumbnails make it easy to identify your content. Highlighting the right media is the first step to sharing your cherished moments. Remember, you are in control of what you wish to share, so take your time to pick the best memories. From there, click or tap the share icon. This icon typically resembles an arrow pointing out of a box. When you click on it, a menu will appear with various sharing options. This step is crucial because it opens up the different ways you can share your selected items. The share icon is a gateway to sharing your memories not only through direct links but also via other apps. Keep an eye on the options presented to ensure you choose the right method for your needs. Next up, select Create Link from the sharing options. This action prompts Google Photos to generate a shareable link. This link will allow anyone with it to view the selected photo, video, or album. It's important to know that creating a link makes sharing effortless. You no longer need to send files directly, which can be cumbersome. This method saves you time and keeps your media organized. After that, copy the generated link. You can do this by clicking the copy button or highlighting the link and using the copy command on your device. Copying the link is essential as it allows you to paste it wherever you need. This makes sharing quick and efficient. Once copied, you can easily use this link in messages or emails without any hassle. Now, paste and send the link through Messages, Mail, or any other app of your choice. To paste, simply tap and hold in the message field and select the paste option. Sending the link is the final step in the sharing process. This allows friends and family to access your shared memories with just one click. It's a simple way to keep everyone connected with your favorite moments, ensuring they can enjoy them with you. Remember, anyone with the share link can view the photo, video, or album. To stop sharing later, open the Shared or Update section in Google Photos. From there, select the shared item and turn off link sharing or delete the shared link. This control keeps your sharing preferences flexible and secure. You are now fully equipped to share your memories seamlessly. Happy sharing!